In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Onedrive Sync error, ensuring that your files are always up to date and accessible across all of your devices. We know how frustrating it can be to encounter syncing issues, especially when you rely on OneDrive to streamline your work and personal tasks. So, let's dive right in and take a closer look at some practical steps you can follow to resolve these issues and get your OneDrive back in sync. First and foremost, let's start by making sure that you are signed into OneDrive. Sometimes, the simplest solutions can often be the most effective, and confirming that you are logged into the correct account can prevent any immediate problems. If you're using a shared computer, it's especially important to ensure you're signed into your own account to avoid syncing someone else's files by mistake. Next, take a moment to check for available updates. Both your OneDrive application and your computer's operating system should be up to date to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. For Windows, head to the Windows Update feature to check for any critical system updates. For the OneDrive app itself, visit the official Microsoft OneDrive site to download the latest version directly if it's not updating automatically. If everything is updated and you're still facing issues, check your internet connection. A slow or intermittent connection can disrupt sync operations. Try switching between Wi-Fi and a wired Ethernet connection to see if a more stable internet might address the problem. If possible, restart your router or try using a different network entirely. Now, it's time to delve into the OneDrive settings. Review the Files on Demand settings to ensure they're configured correctly. For those unfamiliar, Files on Demand is a space-saving feature that lets you access all your files in OneDrive without having to download them all and use storage space on your device. If the files you need aren't downloading, right-click on the OneDrive Cloud icon in your taskbar, select the Settings tab, and confirm that the Files on Demand option is enabled. Another step, which can sometimes be overlooked, is to check the file path names for any issues. Long file paths or using special characters in file names can prevent files from syncing correctly. Adjust file names or paths if you find unusual characters or excessively long paths. Finally, for persistent issues, try unlinking and then relinking your account. Right-click the cloud icon, go to Settings, then Accounts, and select Unlink this PC. After doing so, reopen OneDrive and sign in again. This essentially resets the app and often clears up stubborn syncing problems. With these steps, you should have a better grip on resolving OneDrive sync errors. Remember, patience and thoroughness are key. Good luck, and thank you for watching.